G'day guys, Greg here. Now today for lunch I thought I'd make a hamburger only using a sandwich press. Let me show you how it's done. Well, you'll need some meat. I got some pickles here, some tomato sauce and some American murky man, yeah. I got some cheese here, some onion, a bread roll, and of course you'll need some butter. Yummy! Well, first things first, we need to turn this sandwich press on, let it heat up. And while that's heating up, I'll just cut my bun in half and put some butter on each side. Ooh, yeah. And we'll also need some onion. Now I like to try and cut this as uniformly as thick as I can. Not that it really matters, but we'll just see how well you can do it. Alright. So now onto here. This should be hot. Oh yeah! Now I'll just put the bread down and I'll chuck the onions on. And we'll just close that really gently without putting any pressure on it. Hopefully that'll keep the bun, well, not all squished down. Now it's been a couple of minutes, so we'll come back and have a look. And even though you don't want it squished down, it'll squish down. But, oh, that bread's got some slight toasting on it. Yeah, that'll do. So now we'll grab our meat and make it into a ball. We can stick it over here. And now, this is when you want to push it right down. Oh, gee. Don't burn yourself, folks. And when you lift it up, it should be nice and flat. So now I just want to put some salt and pepper on, and then I'll squish it down again. Really try and finish that cooking process. And then we'll leave that on for a couple of more minutes until it gets to the desired crispiness on the outside of that meat. Alright, well it's been about 3 minutes I reckon. Let's take a look. Okay, well that meat's looking alright. Now, if you like melted cheese on your burger, this is where you can add it on. Just put that on. Now this can be a little bit tricky, especially if you want to press it down again. Now if you do want to press it down, you just got to gently press it down just for not long at all, because when you lift it up, well, the cheese is stuck to the top there, but if you leave it on any longer, it'll just melt off and turn to liquid. That's alright, this comes off pretty easy. And that can go straight back on the burger there, down below. Oh, that's nice and crispy too. Right, well that meat looks cooked, so let's start making this burger. So for starters, we'll get the meat, put that on the bottom there. I'll get the onions, put those on too. Now we can add some tomato sauce. Some of the American mustard, man, yeah! And, of course, some pickles. Buff! Bun on top. And there you have it. A sandwich press hamburger made in no time at all. And with hardly any effort. Looks pretty compact. Let's see what it tastes like. Come at me, bro. What more do you want? Well, I hope this video helps you make cooking in the kitchen a whole lot easier and cost effective. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I make a burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food